Hello and welcome to EID Adventures. So today my brother will be driving his bus. On one of them it said this is a top waist bus. But it's not really a waiting bus at all. Now, I'm just going to turn him around because it's too tiny for him to turn in this space and drive him back. As you can see, it has headlights on. So thank you for watching and please like, subscribe. I'll just show you some distinctive features. Look, the wheel, the Bus Express sign. It uses rechargeable batteries and they last pretty long.
About half a day, 12 hours.